This is the back window. Snowstorm of February, what? 6th, Saturday. Snowed all night. Now I'm going to go open the back door. Oh yeah, I can't open it because the snow is so deep. I'm going to take a picture of that's the shed, and see that little light by the door of the shed? It's packed with snow. And there's the table. And the street. Our air conditioning unit. Oh, I don't know what that is in the snow there. It could be a shark. Snow blowing off the roof. See what you're missing? Dang it. Okay, now we're going to go to the front door. Paws looking out the front window like he misses going to work.
Yeah, right. I'm just wondering who's going to shovel all this snow.
And that's our deck. Totally covered. Snow blowing off the roof. Okay, we'll open this door. I don't know if we can get it open, but let's see. See if we can get it open. Oh, same predicament. We are stuck in the house. There's our front yard tree. Oh my. This is a dilemma. A dilemma. Little icicles up there. Well, I guess we're stuck. That's my new quilt. I washed it. It's all comfy cozy. Oh, looking through our crystal ball. Who's the fairest of them all? Keith and Valerie with a new house. How awesome. There's our car. Oh boy. Fa la 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 la. Signing off.